Hello tubers, you're on Chuck Gayhart's channel here. Today is May 1st. It's a Thursday. It's not raining right now. We have a little canopy over this 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, and it has a 5.2 liter V8, as most of them probably do. Some of them have the 5.9s, I think, but this is a as you can see, 5.2 liter. Just an old 318, okay, V8. What we have here is a no start issue, okay. But what I'm gonna explain what I did last Saturday. Put a clutch assembly in the transmission. It is a manual 5-speed, okay. And right here's the stick. They're easy to take out. If you never take it out, just take this boot off. There's another little ring that goes around there. Take that off, a couple screws, and 4 screws hold the shifter in. Pop that out, which I'm going to show all that, because what I'm going to explain to you now is what happened. Okay, this truck always started very, very nice. Transmission went bad. Wow, it's dirty in there. But the transmission, the clutch went bad in it. So we put a clutch in it. Put a new clutch, pressure plate, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Okay, now when we started the truck, well, we tried to start the truck back up after we finished assembling the transmission all back together, and the truck wouldn't start. Yeah, truck wouldn't start. Now, like I said, this truck is old faithful, always starts. So what we did, we retraced our steps, went back and found a wire that goes to the crank sensor. I got it right here in my pocket. Okay, this wire right here, it's a three wire hookup that goes to your crank sensor, which it plugs in on the left side of the engine. Where's the plug at? If you wanna, yeah, right here. There's a 3-prong plug right here. Oops, sorry, bad camera angle. This plug right here on the back left side of the engine. Okay, that runs down to the right side of the engine in about the 2 o'clock position. Okay, that's where the crank sensor is. Now, we pinched the wire when I put the transmission back up. I pinched this wire between the engine and transmission, and that's why we have a no start. So I'm gonna videotape taking the transmission back apart, because lucky for me, a little piece of this wire broke off, and now it's ended up in the clutch pressure plate assembly. So I get the luxury of pulling the transmission back out of this baby. So I'm gonna make some footage of me doing that, and then try to piece this video together. But that's all for today. Hope it helped you a little bit. Hope you don't make the same mistake I did. And talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks.